my name is Wendy with WTI, and I think I'm going to make you a believer in the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. This toner is going to up your skincare game. So you can put it into your hands and pat it onto your skin, or put it on a cotton pad and tap it into your skin with that. Either way, it's going to make your skincare regimen improve and better. But why? So what's in this is a bunch of different herbal ingredients. Two of them being my favorite, the honeysuckle and the baobab, both known to lock in moisture into your skin. Now, this is also free from parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic preservatives, dyes and fragrance, mineral oils, and animal origin ingredients. So that is awesome. So the smell that you do smell when you do open this is the herbal smell that you're getting from the natural ingredients that you're putting in. So you would use this after you washed your face. You would put it in, and unlike North American toners where they are a bit more astringent, this is all for hydration. This is all to add in extra moisture. So you put this on before your moisturizer and after washing your face. So I think this is going to make you a believer, and I think you should go out and give this a try. But that's my point of view.